there, skincare lovers! Have you ever wondered how to keep that youthful glow? Well, today, I'm diving into the magic of collagen and how it keeps your skin looking young and vibrant. First things first, what is collagen? Collagen is a protein that acts like a glue in our bodies, holding everything together. It's found in our skin, bones, muscles, and tendons. But when it comes to skincare, collagen is the superstar that helps maintain skin's elasticity and firmness. As we age, our body's natural collagen production slows down. By our mid-20s, we lose about 1% of collagen per year. That's why fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging start to appear. But don't worry, there are ways to boost collagen production and keep your skin looking youthful. One of the easiest ways to boost collagen is through your diet. Foods rich in vitamin C, like citrus fruits and leafy greens, help your body produce more collagen. Bone broth is another fantastic source of collagen. It's like a magical elixir for your skin. But diet isn't the only way to get your collagen fix. There are also topical treatments and supplements. Collagen peptides, which are broken down forms of collagen, can be taken as supplements. They're shown to improve skin elasticity and reduce wrinkles. Topically, look for skincare products with ingredients like retinoids and peptides. These can stimulate collagen production in the deeper layers of your skin. And don't forget sunscreen. UV rays break down collagen, so protecting your skin from the sun is crucial. Now let's talk about lifestyle. Smoking and excessive alcohol can accelerate collagen breakdown. So if you want to keep your skin youthful, it's best to avoid them. Also, getting enough sleep and managing stress can make a big difference in your skin's appearance. Exercise is another great way to boost collagen. It increases blood flow, which helps deliver more nutrients to your skin. Plus, it helps get rid of toxins that can damage collagen. So, there you have it. Collagen is your skin's best friend when it comes to staying young and radiant. By paying attention to your diet, skincare routine, and lifestyle, you can support your body's natural collagen production and keep that glow going strong. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Stay radiant and see you next time.